Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 7th of April. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. I was out at Vellante Farms in Needham yesterday. Vellante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. And I do like going there. They've got some lettuces, pansies. I also saw some other cold weather crop things that you could be putting in. They've got some kales, parsley, and all that stuff can go in the garden this time of the year. I might hold off until Thursday if you want to get some of those things because it's going to be fairly cold tonight. We're going to be down in the 20s, and even though it's not going to kill it, why stress those poor little plants out? So we have a chance for a couple of rain or snow showers this morning. Otherwise, just a blend of clouds and sun, temperature up near 50. Ran into somebody at the gym yesterday, a friend of mine. He's actually a principal at one of the local schools, and he said, "I heard it's going to snow." And I was like, "It's not going to snow." Well, you might see a few flakes, but it's always interesting to me, the forecast, how it gets exaggerated. There's a couple of rain or snow showers possible. That's it. We're not looking at accumulation. And if it did accumulate, it would just be on the grass anyway. I mean, this time of the year, this stuff does nothing. So temperatures today will be up near 50 degrees, mostly cloudy tonight, then clearing up. Temperature down into the 20s, as I said, below freezing, probably in Boston as well. Wednesday, sunshine. Temperature up near 50 degrees. By the way, tonight may be the last night Boston goes below freezing for the season. It's not out of the question. This is about when that usually occurs. And then on Thursday, sunshine, mid-50s. So we've got near 50 on Wednesday, mid-50s on Thursday, mid-60s on Friday. What a day. Friday's going to be a great day. I am going to be doing quite a bit of pruning and moving and all sorts of gardening stuff. Then Saturday, mostly sunny, mid-60s. Sunday, low 60s. Monday, up near 70. A few clouds around on that day ahead of a frontal system. Notice what is absent, though, any significant rain. I don't like that. I'd like to see some more rain here so that we don't slip into a more serious drought situation. Again, I only say that from a planting standpoint. It's not like we're going to run out of water, but I just don't need things under stress, and it stresses me out because if I'm putting seeds in the garden and we have no rain, I got to start watering because things dry out pretty good this time of the year with no leaves on the trees, and that sun is strong. I mean, we're into early September sunshine at this point. All right. Have a great morning, everybody.